Your first step to generating income with AI starts here. Discover how everyday people are using AI to generate leads, make sales, and create new income streams without technical skills, coding, or prior experience. What you'll get instantly, free. When you register, you'll receive immediate access to the ultimate AI and bot checklist, designed to give you the essential context and tools you need before the training begins. You'll also secure your seat in a live AI web class with multiple time options, where everything is broken down step by step in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're brand new to AI. What you'll discover in the web class. During the live training, Leitz, founder of BotBuilders, walks you through a simple 3-step framework for using AI to generate income with zero experience. You'll see how ChatGPT can be used to create sales and booked appointments, why hybrid AI is far more profitable than traditional AI approaches, and how high-converting AI marketing and custom-trained chatbots can be created in minutes, not months. Exclusive bonus for live attendees. At the end of the web class, attendees receive the 250 Best AI Tools list, featuring real-world tools Matt personally uses and recommends. This bonus, previously valued at $79, is included at no cost for those who attend live. Who this training is for. This training is ideal for complete beginners, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and marketers who want to future-proof their income and leverage AI without getting overwhelmed by hype or technical complexity. AI isn't coming, it's already here. Take the smart first step today. Click the link below this video to register now. Claim your free AI starter kit and secure your seat before the next session begins.